All right. So if you really want to make good money online, this is the secret. This is how you do it. This is how many of us have been trying doing it, making good money online. We don't promote low ticket products. now, now many people will be saying, what does that mean? Yes, look, let's put it straight to you, and I'm going to make this very short. Now, if you really want to make really serious money online, something like $3,000 per month, $5,000 per month, or even $10,000 per month, just forget about promoting low ticket, because low ticket offers will not get you there. And when I say low ticket, I'm talking of something of $10, $50, $20. You know all those when you promote and then you make those type of commissions. Now, why is it a problem doing that? Because it takes a lot of sales for you to actually make money with it. Now, if you remember, so many of those low ticket products, they create some funny things like matrix, spillovers. I'm sure you have heard about those nonsense, right? I call them nonsense because they don't work. You see, when you have to depend on others before you succeed, then you have failed before you start. So all those programs like Matrix, spillovers, they depend on other people for you to make money. So, and that is why it's so easy to fail, because you cannot predict what another person is going to do. I have joined programs like that. They will tell you it's just $25, sometimes $25 monthly or $25 one time. You know, they just have this so many explanations around it, right? And they will tell you if you join and you bring two people, then if those two people bring two people, if those two people bring two people, I'm sure you've heard about all those things. Now, by mathematical calculations, right, it looks like it's going to work, but did it work? None of them worked, right? Remember that healthcare company? You remember the healthcare company that was promising to pay you $2,000 every month without recruiting anybody? Did it work? They've been around for almost going to 3 years, and nobody got $2,000, and nobody's going to get it. Now, why is it so? Yeah, because it depends on other people's hard work for you to succeed. And that is where the problem lies, right? When you have to depend on other people before you make good money. So low tickets never work well, right? I saw somebody shouting low ticket works, but now I see the person have stopped promoting the low ticket and has moved to something else that pays her more money, right? But I remember the person is very good at marketing, and the person really was shouting low ticket work, low ticket work. Now the person have stopped, and I understand, when people who have not been in this field for a long time, they keep saying that low ticket is good, you get a lot of people to buy. I'm not arguing that. I'm not arguing that when you promote low ticket, if you are good at marketing, you get more people to buy. But at the end of the day, it's the same thing. You are not going to make a lot of money. That's just it, right? You're not going to make enough money, no matter the number. Okay, let's play with the numbers. Let's assume you are promoting a product that pays you $10. And when you check all these low tickets, that's what they really pay, right? $10, $20, that's what they pay. So let's say you are promoting a product that pay you $10, right? Per sale. Now, if you have to make like $3,000 in a month, which is freedom money, you want to make like $3,000 in a month, that means you have to get 300 sales every month. Now, That's a big challenge, right? Getting all these 300 sales. I don't know about you, but for me, that's a lot. You know, if it's and I hardly see anybody, very few people doing that. And anybody, like I always say, anybody that could get 300 sales in a month and is still promoting low ticket, that person is a joker, right? And nobody is like that. Anybody that does that goes to high ticket, because the kind of promotions you have to do, the kind of effort you have to put in, if you are buying traffic, the cost of you buying the traffic is not worth that kind of commissions, right? So it doesn't make sense. Now, let's contrast it with high-ticket products. Let's say your high-ticket pays you $500 per sale, right? Just like the TeamBuilders. You could earn $500 commission, $1,000 commission, or $2,000 commission, or even $3,000 commission, right? Per sale, because it's high-ticket. Now, so if you needed to make like $3,000 in a month, you are only looking for, if at $500 commission, you are just looking for 6 sales, right? That's all. Now, if you get $1,000 commissions, you are looking for just 3 sales in a whole month. 3. You are not looking for 300. You are looking for 3. Just 3, guys. 3. Now, if you now are lucky enough and you get $3,000 commission, that means 1. So, and we don't know what we know is that you earn high tickets. So you may just make any amount. And with the TeamBuilders, you could also make up to $4,000 in commission. So this is what we're talking about, right? That giving yourself the chance of earning substantial amount of money, from $500 all the way to $4,000 per sale. That changes a lot. And I'm going to tell you a lot more why TeamBuilders is the best, right? So far, I've looked at a lot of high-ticket programs. TeamBuilder still stands out better than most of them. Now, why is TeamBuilder the best, as far as I'm concerned? The OLSP TeamBuilder system is a training and coaching program with a very large community to help you succeed, okay? Now, what do you learn in the training programs? You are going to learn how to start a high-ticket online business, okay? You're also going to learn how to promote the business. You are going to learn how to get customers to your business, because that's very, very important. Without you bringing in leads or customers, then naturally nobody makes money, right? So they teach you how to promote and how to get customers to the business. They also teach you how to grow the business. So this is where you grow your business. You start earning all those passive income, whether you sell or you don't sell, you are still making money. They teach you all these things, right? Now, what are the products in the OLSP TeamBuilders? Now, just like I said, the first product they have is the training courses, right? They have the training courses, the coaching courses. They also have softwares. Now, go and check all these other products. Nothing. They don't have anything. The only thing they have is marketing systems. And they price it at $2,000, $3,000, all the other high-ticket products. But the TeamBuilders actually have real products. So they have training courses, coaching courses. They also have softwares. That is powerful. They have softwares. They also have apps. Different apps, some that work with what they call them, Facebook, Instagrams, that helps to boost your marketing. They also have their marketing systems. Is that not powerful? And the most important, they have this private community, which you will be part of, where you will see other successful marketers, and then you learn all their tricks from them, right? It's amazing. Now, But that is not all. As a OLSP team builder, you are going to get an automated done-for-you marketing system, which is powerful, right? So the way the team builders is built, all you need to do is to promote and generate traffic. The whole system is done for you. Look, it's amazing. It's done for you. When I joined, somebody called me and took me through the process. It's you can imagine the kind of effort they make just to get you the sale. That's what I mean, right? So with their done for you system, you don't even need to do any marketing of your own. You know, you don't have to do any email follow-up. They do all the email follow-up for you, right? So your only job is to share your link. And when you share your link, the system takes over and start doing all the hard work for you. They do all the email follow-ups, they organize the webinars, they invite your leads to webinars, they do all the training, and then they close the sale on your behalf. It's powerful, right? That ability for them to close the sales by phone call. And you know, high ticket is best sold by phone call. Real human beings, not AI. Even though they have AI software, they still deal with real human beings. It's powerful, right? Now, so with the OLSP team builders, no product. You don't need to create any product on your own. You don't need to have any technical skill at all because they set up everything for you. So you don't need technical skill. You don't have to recruit anybody. Right? You don't. Because all you need to do is to share your link and get leads to the system. That's all. So you don't have to recruit anybody. You don't even have to talk to anybody. It's as powerful as that. You don't have to call anybody. Right? You don't have to sell anything. They do all the calling. They do all the selling on your behalf. Now, let's look at the way you earn commissions. Now, when you become an OLSP team builders, you will earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sales. You see, a lot of people in OLSP, they are only promoting the mega link, which is okay. But with the mega link, is a low ticket, right? And secondly, you earn 100% commission, right? But when you become a team builder, you automatically earn 200% commission on mega link sales. So if you decide you want to promote mega link, you'll be earning 200% commission. And that is not all. Now, you will also be able to earn 200% second tier commissions on mega link sales. What does that mean? That means that whenever anyone in your team makes a mega link sale, you, who did not do anything, you will make 200% commission on their effort. That is powerful, and that is one of the things that makes the team builders very unique, because now you get to earn commissions when your team members are building their own business. So that means you could be sleeping and you're still making money. It's powerful, right? But that is not all. You also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products in the system. This is amazing because whenever your team member is building their business, selling different products in the system, selling the apps, selling the software, selling all those things, you may not even be doing anything. But every time they make a sale, you make money. And that is amazing. Really, really amazing, right? But again, like I said, that is not all. You will also earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 to $2,600 per sale. This is where Team Builders is unique because of those high ticket commissions. And those things add up seriously, I tell you. They are far, far better 1,000 times than any low ticket offer. So that's amazing, but that is not all. Now, OLSP organize a lot of webinars, bring in invited guests, sell a lot of product. Now, as a team builder, you will earn unlimited 50% commissions on webinar sales. Anytime your team member buys anything in the webinar, you make money. So you can see that compare TeamBuilders to other high-ticket products. TeamBuilders is way, way above them, because with TeamBuilders, you don't just earn commission once from your team members. You also earn commission from the efforts of your team members, and you continuously earn commissions. That is unheard of when it comes to high-ticket programs. But this is amazing, right? So guys, that is something you need to know about the team builders and how it can really make you a lot of money. So if you want to join our team in the OLSP Team Builders system, you can go to the link in the description above there. Click that link and join the team builders, all right? I'm going to also leave another link in the description below. Go ahead, click any of the links in my profile. It takes you all the way to Team Builders, because that is the best way to make money online. It's where somebody else does 90% of the work for you and you still make high ticket commissions. So all you need to do is just to share your link. And that's all I'm doing. I'm always talking about the team builders. I'm always sharing my link, whether on Facebook or TikTok, I just keep sharing my link. And as people, once they sign in, the system follows up on my behalf, close the sales for me, and then I just make those high ticket commission without a lot of effort, right? So guys, that is it. So like I said, if you are interested in joining the team builders, go straight to the link description above, click that link, get started, all right? So if you have any question about the OLSP Team Builders high ticket system, you can privately DM me and we can talk about it, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.